There's a powerful that happened in US, which is called NFT. It's no farm climate change. The new the data, I mean, let me tell you what data. The data used to measure the rate of employment and unemployment in US. So this is a very powerful news that when the news come out, it can change the direction of the market. The news can reset, it can reset. So there are three powerful news from US that can reset the financial market, especially the currency that refer to USD. And also, it is why because whatever news that come out from US, it has something to do with it, whether negative or positive part of Japanese yen. So one of the news is today, come out once in a month, first Friday. There are some people that specialize that trade once in a month and on this news. So they wait for this news. They already have, they know the data, they know when they see what is going to come out, the position, the trade, and the news is released to make good money. These are big traders, institutional traders. So, but we, as a retail trader, personally, some people trade news, right? Some people trade news. They do make money, but they make news. Me, I don't trade news, so don't be surprised. I don't call buy or sell when the news is out. I don't trade news. And I don't like setting limit order on news because you don't know the direction where the news will come. I don't know. I'm not in the back end. So I don't really know where how the news will come out. So I don't do I don't do anything when it comes to news settings. But I love to watch the news. After the news, maybe an hour or 2 hours, can the news. We can position for ourselves for opportunity. Or better still next week month or on Monday. So what would this news do? Number one, the news can do hit stop losses, use stop loss on, cause reversals or cause continuations of trend. Now, these are the news, Canada and US. So, and that is why I asked us to delete our card, USD card, because news is coming on this thing currently. We don't know which way, which one will be negative or positive. So to avoid unnecessary drawdown, we have to go out. So currently, I'm not on any trade, please. The Euro USD that I called yesterday on the group, it gave us money. I break even and hit my break even now. So I'm out with small profit. So now my hand is clear, my table is clear for foreign trade. I don't have any foreign trade. Please, if you have any foreign trade now, whether you close or break even, try profit. I can at loss, just manage the trade, give a tight stop loss, so that you can just use minimal against you. So news is it's a two-edged sword. Whether go in your favor or go against you. You need that to do, hear it. So now we are going to concentrate on these three news. This red folder news. This one, let's look at what this one says. The first one says change in the price business pay for the labor exploited farming industry. Actual greater than capacity for the currency. For the past 1 2024, When you see it coming out green like this, it means it's green for currency. When you go for currency, it means that it's possible for dollar. The last one came out as neutral. Neutral is not negative, it's not positive, it still remains. So you don't have much impact. But if you come out green like this, you have more impact. And if you come out red, if the next one that we release today, we expect it to come out green or red or neutral. If you come out with, as 0.3 black like this, it means neutral. Yeah. So when they come out black here under actual, it's neutral. When you come out red, bad for currency. So you come out green, it's good for currency. Likewise, this one, so this is the really, no NFT. The previous one was 250. Let's see the latter that. So we can see for the past 2 months, the job rate in US has really been good. So the employment rate has been good. So now forecast is 159,000. That's 169,000 job, right? If it come out higher than this, so it's good for currency. It becomes great. But if it come out red, oh, it's bad. Oh. It means if this guy come out red, dollar will be weak. Every currency will trade against dollar. And the employment rate, which we measure the rate of employment, is there unemployment? Is unemployment higher in December or is it lower? So if you come out green, it's positive, good for country, for currency, and if you come out red. So this theory, if you have the theory, come out green, dollar is going to be super strong, even till next week. If the theory come out green, dollar is going to be super strong. But if the theory come out red, dollar is going to be super weak. And if you come out red, if you come out red, there will not be if you come out red, for example, you see Euro USD buying. If you come out red, the thing come out red, you don't see Euro USD buying seriously. And if the thing come out green, you see Euro USD selling seriously. And gold will be selling seriously. If one come out red, let's say red, green, red, then it will then it will be, it will do what? It will be you see it make it zigzag, go up, come down, go up, come down. And these are the kind of trades that clear people stop loss. So the news will be released 3:30, 2:30 now. So we'll come back and see the result of the news, right? So we'll come back to see the result of the news. But so let's not look at it. So that is the fundamental side. Let's look at it at technical now, because technical still have much way even down the fundamental. So now technically, like I point out this place yesterday, that we are trading between a supply and a demand on dollar. As far as we are still concerned, we are still bullish on dollar. So we are still bullish on dollar. Price get to this supply zone, and if price retest this place, go to supply. So we are now trading between supply and a demand. So now, for us to really see a clear direction, it will be good if you can see if we have price close below, if the news come out and we have a close below this demand today, then on Monday it will be bearish for, maybe next week we may have a bearish for dollar. So that is one scenario that what can happen today. But if it's positive for dollar, then maybe we're going to have a bullish breakout even till next week or upper week. So the results is going to determine how strength dollar is going to play out, right? So let's look at it on 4 hours. So we are in between supply demand. So 4 hours confirm is sell, 4 hour confirm is sell, right? But all we can see now is that price is ranging between this supply and demand. Now, we have a supply zone here that we'll be watching out. If there's a spike, maybe a spike that will reject price down, trade back to this place. So we'll go to be look. Now, everybody we are what? Everybody, we are staying in neutral. We are in neutral now until the news is out. We'll see with our own eyes. Please, if you want to trade the news, it's your own. Oh. Maybe you see and you want to drop enter. You're at your own, not me. So whatever you can make decision, I'm not to make a decision for you. My own is to analyze and give you that what I'm seeing. You may be seeing a different thing, and you may do whatever you want to do with your money and with your account. So let's look at our currency now. So GBP USD, we look at GBP USD, Euro USD, and gold. So we now wait for the news. So on GU now, we are still on daily. We are still in a downtrend, right? Price is struggling to close above this supply zone. So we are still much in a downtrend, despite we have internal fractal change. That's why we already have fractal bullish. So, but the overall, we need more evidence to prove that we are totally bullish. And for us to be totally bullish on GBP USD, its price must take out this high. Anytime price take out 28.1, then maybe we have a daily close above here. Any day we have a daily close above here, that can expose some of these highs. So nevertheless, whatever we are buying, we are buying with caution, right? So we are not totally bullish, as DXY is not totally bearish. So now price is in supply. So let's see. Already price has mitigated supply. If price come back here again, the tendency for price to break here is very high. So now when I look at it on 1 hour, I see because price now mitigates a supply, give us a shift in market structure here, even a confirmation. So we can see another confirmation. Even this low has been violated by this. So this is a confirm that, okay, in 1 hour that we are bearish, right? In 1 hour we are bearish. So we are looking for a sell opportunity on GU. So in 1 hour time frame. And here we have a supply zone which fall under premium for us. So which form under premium. So after the news, if I see maybe a push up and I see a confirmation, maybe 15 minutes, that give me another, so I may look for a sell from that zone. So since we already higher time frame on 4 hours, we already tested a supply and price sell off from the supply zone, and it has caused a shift in market structure. So what we need to do now, on 1 hour, we are bearish. Don't forget that even the overall time frame on daily is bearish. So if we see a bearish movement around this place, very bearish evidence, so it will go for us to we can look for a sell. So that is what, for now, GBP USD is for us to position for more a sell than a buy. So that is what we have. There's nothing pointing out for us to buy for now, but after the news. So now before the news, the best thing we are in now is to look for a sell opportunity. So we are currently trading above Asia high. So we are already trading share liquidity. So if I can get a push up by the news, maybe a spike, then a fake out, give me a change of market structure here. So that would be for a good sell. So we are done with that is GU for us. Euro. Now I pick a buy here yesterday on Euro. I pick it, I think here. Yes, we got a buy here. I think that will give us about, I think to this place, that's about 30 pips before this fall down. So I try to break even around here. So I'm out, and the two took me out. Why am I looking for a buy on Euro yesterday? Just looking at, okay, looking at daily, that we have this high. So we have this supply zone here that price can come and retest, and this is drawn liquidity for us. So I was looking at, okay, with this bullish evidence, a retraced, then we can look for a buy. Our price did it yesterday. So now my major concern, I told us that a week whenever you see a gap down, that when price cover the gap, that week we may look, it may be a sell, it may be a sell. So I'm seeing that this news that is coming, it will favor dollar, and we'll see Euro USD sell off. That is what my instinct is telling me. We may likely see that news favor USD, and it may pull USD down. USD may be strong. So now, looking at what do we do now? The chart is so messy on Euro USD. So we have price, break of structure. Now, what I can confirm now is that we shift, here we have a shifting market structure. So price now rally to where price is currently on this supply zone now. Price is currently on that supply. So we are currently trading on that supply zone. So if we find it to 1 hour supply. So we are currently, you can see price is currently on that supply. So let's work with that. Let's work with that supply zone. So we want to see, let's see if the news favor dollar, then we'll be looking for bearish on this guy, on EU and on GU. So we have 4 minutes to the news. Let's look into about gold. So gold, since now you know that gold have cleared all-time high, right? So I can see that we'll have a pullback on gold. Please be careful on buying gold. It has overstretched. Since all-time high is clear, price doesn't move. So there's a need for a pullback on gold. There's maybe a pullback before the bullish continuation. So I think I'm seeing a need for a pullback on gold. So that news can cause a pullback. So let's now look structure from 4 hours. Here we have a break of structure. This demand that breaks structure has not been properly tested. This demand has not been properly tested before this move. So whatever is how this thing you may be seeing, I will have for now, I will prefer, though price came to retest this imbalance, but I don't trade from imbalance. I trade more from demand and supply. So since demand has not been really properly tested, so if you see a deeper retracement, it can be a good place to look for long on gold. So I would love a deeper pullback since the retracement it has overstretched. So there's a need for a deeper pullback. That is my own perception. A deeper pullback than before the continuation. So, you know, this is the institution, they don't buy high, they buy very low. So institution will not put a buy here. Not if they buy, no, they need very discount to buy. They need to accumulate contracts, accumulate contract. Then before, don't be surprised. What they do is that they begin to pull sell. They begin to pull sell. So as they are pushing sell, the retail trader are pushing buy. They are loading. They may be negative, but when they discover they now have a good price to push market up, although their sell is piling up, they will not push buy from here. You will not see the mark. You will not see that whatever they lost here is small. They will put small loss side. Here they can get like $1 billion. Then it will override everything. So the news is, so we'll stay on gold on 15 minutes. I need to remember 1 minute to go. So let's stay on gold and see. So now I will pause and let's see. So after the news, we can just stay like 5 minutes or 15 minutes, then we'll call it a day. And everybody can go and trade. So we have 1 minute to the news. So let's just stay and watch the outcome of the news. We are waiting. The news is almost here. Okay. The news is out. Okay. Gold is buying. Okay. The news. You can see that market is hanging. Yes. We have a push up on gold. It means that like Euro USD, I'm not seeing the kind of momentum I expected to see. Oh, guys, see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? You see that now? You see what I'm saying? Why? You see? That is retested that place. Whoa. That is Euro USD. Everybody that do what you call buy limits, he activate you now and he activated you and hit your stop loss. So all the buy limits here now, their stop loss is gone because it went up and it's coming down. So you do buy limit, you put stop loss here, you are out. So you can see that Euro is pushing down. Now let's see the outcome of the news. Okay, so this guy will not be too much impactive because the main job is negative. So we have a very poor job outcome. So this is 143. Okay. The previous one now has changed to green. Now, this one changed to green. Oh, okay. So this thing this one may not matter a lot. This one may not matter like that because when you see this guy here, it was 2 something before, but you actually 3-0. So this one now may override the result here. We have a positive here, we have a positive here. And the previous has changed to green. You can see that the previous has changed to green. Let's look at what happened before. So This one previous was negative. But today now, the previous one has changed to green. And we are so this green, it may outride this, and this will work with. So we may have a strong dollar. This red that caused the spike. This is what this guy that caused the spike here. But because so we may have a sell-off now. That USD card. Let's see what happened on USD card. Guys, you see now USD card now good. Good on USD card now. Oh, we can look for a buy. Okay, what's the result on USD card? Let's see. Hold on. No. Please don't trade USD card. Even the USD card, it came out positive. So they will be dragging each other. I don't like. They will not have a smooth. So before we trade USD card, before we buy USD card, maybe on Monday, we need USD card to give us another break of structure. So if the USD card give another break of structure, then we can look for a buy. But for now, please don't buy it for now. Don't buy it for now. Don't buy it for now. This guy can start pushing down. So we need to see a very clear direction. So let's go back to gold. So gold is selling. So let's see. So if you want to buy, if you want to sell gold, maybe to this place, that should be next week. We need to see a structural break clear on gold. So we have this low. I would love to see this low violated in 1 hour. So for me to really say I want to sell gold, because gold is a bullish trend, we need to see a violation of this low. Maybe next week, if gold wants to sell, let it violate that low, then we can look for a sell. So that's for gold, GBP USD. You can see that the market is so messy, so no good direction yet. But it will be good to what? So now price, you can see now that price retest that place. So we can, like this guy now, I don't want to call, today's Friday, I don't want to call any position. So maybe by next week, if price fail to break here, then we'll have a bearish market on GBP USD next week. We can bearish to all this place. Right? Okay. I still have mine is still on Euro GBP. I still have it. How did this guy pick me? Did he pick me? Oh, I have a position on GBP. I'm still bullish on GBP, Euro GBP. I'm still bullish. We are break of structure in 1 hour. I hope this guy picked me, Sha. Because that was narrow touch. Let me see. Let me see. This guy picked me or not. I don't think so. That place is too narrow. It's too narrow. It's too narrow. I know that will not pick me. I know that will not pick me. It's too spread will not. So my eye is still on that. I pray that I come down a little bit again. So let's leave it. So Euro USD. So Euro USD, I think is best position. So what we'll do on Euro USD now, this is what we're going to do. So we have seen the price has given us what? A shift in market structure. Price has retest. So we need another confirmation. So we have break, retest. So now, so let's see if we have another, maybe price close, another break here. So if we have another break, maybe if this guy sell off like this, then we can look for That will give us an entry. So now, guys, we don't have much today, and today's Friday. We don't need to. You can see the news is not that active. It's causing. You can see sweep stop loss, all buy limit stop loss, boom. All sell limit stop loss, boom. So some people are in a hot soup now. That do buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit. The thing has clear everybody's stop loss. You can see. So that is it. We see that now that the news has come out. So next week we'll position for a proper trade. There's no trade today. There's no trade. No, let's force ourselves into trade. That way there's no trade. So, and don't let me waste our precious time. So we'll call it a day. We'll meet on Monday by grace of God for a proper trade. Thank God for this week. We made a lot of money this week. We made money on Monday. We made money on Euro GBP. And yesterday, Euro gave us little money. So we are good. We thank God for the week. Thank God for the result of the week. Next week is another week to make money. God bless you. Thank you. So see you on Monday, 10:30 or 11, depends. So all the beginner class, 7 p.m. today, prepare for your class. See you guys. Bye. Or do anybody have anything to say? Any question?
Hello, Mr.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I will call you over the weekend for synthetic.
Synthetic, right? Okay.
Yes.
My Saturdays. What happened that if I see signal synthetic, I will likely to call it out, but don't know. My schedule is so tight, very, very tight. Okay. But I will see what I can do, Shaz.
Okay. Have a wonderful weekend.
All right, sir.
Sir, what's the next plan for intermediate class?
Intermediate class next week, Monday. Do you join yesterday class?
Yes.
So Monday, I will release the timetable. I will read the timetable on the Telegram group for intermediate class.
So that you not clash with the beginners class.
Our class will be Monday, Wednesday.
Okay.
Yes.
Monday, Wednesday.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for trust our judgment. See you next week.
God bless you, sir.
Oh, you too.